Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you a very simple trick on how to send photos from your phone camera roll as snaps on Snapchat. So first, open your Snapchat app. From the main camera, look at the bottom area. You'll see the small icon of two rectangles. Tap it. This takes you to Memories. At the top, you will see two tabs, Snaps and Camera Roll. Tap on Camera Roll. Now you'll see all the photos stored on your phone. Find the picture you want to send as a snap. Tap on the photo. Now at the bottom of the screen, you will see options. Tap Edit and Send. This now opens the picture in Snapchat's editing screen, like a normal snap. At this stage, you can add text, draw, add stickers, use filters exactly like normal snaps. Once you finish editing, tap the blue arrow at the bottom right. Now select the friend you want to send it to. Or you can even send it to your story. When you send it, the person will receive it like a snap message, not like a normal photo from the gallery. Quick tip: Snapchat sometimes tags it as camera roll or from camera roll, depending on your version. But this is the official method to send photos from phone gallery as snaps. So that's it. Open Snapchat, go to Memories, Camera Roll, select Photo, Edit and Send. Super easy. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe for more simple tutorials.